This is the car of my Barbie. So I want to show you the car of my Barbie. So this is a mirror. And this is my two Barbies. So this one is really moving. Beep beep. And this is Bill. So we're just there. So we have a horse in the carriage. So this is a horse and this is the carriage. Look at the wheel of the carriage. Look at the wheel of this. This is bigger than this, but this is really beautiful. That's for the horse and the carriage. There have flowers at the sides. And then this one is the dining table. So that's a dining table for my Barbie. So, and you can change it over. Ouch. See, it's like that. It's really easy. Now, because now after that you can do like this, look like the wings. I do it like this. After that, this is the fridge. It have a milk there, or not the. Before these ones have a milk or like that, or sugar something. For this above, but under it's have a pizza, donuts. That's it. This is the things for the dining table. So this is the things. This is the pitcher. This is the two glass. This is a spoon, fork, and knife. This is the two handkerchief. Oh no. Now after I'm gonna show you this. This is the sofa of my Barbie. And this is the dog. This is the bone. So after that, this is the Barbie Ultimate Closet. So this is my Barbie Ultimate Closet. You cannot see because I done some flashlight because the camera is already but this is the bathtub. This is the things. This is the max for the face. That's look like light green. This is the Cutex. This is the soap. This is the makeup. And this is putting bubbles over here. This is a perfume. This is the shampoo. So after that, this is the toilet. I did not show the backs because I know this is the background. This is the tissue. This is the toilet. After that, let's put here for a second. Finish over there. Let's go over here. This is a terrace. This have a little glass over here so we can drink water or something, or taking a rest over at the terrace, or you want some air to feel. So this is the bedroom. So I want to show you this.